All right, we got this extremely high quality, high end portable air conditioner. Just a very nice unit, 4-in-1. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on right now. So it's you got this remote. You've also got all the controls right here. So right now, it's on the air conditioner mode. It's set on high, and this is oscillating. So you can have that oscillate. You can also press this button to set it off from oscillating. That way it'll just shoot out in one direction. But as I was saying, up to 350 square feet. So a lot of people will use these for like home offices and whatnot. Then 62 degrees. That's the lowest temperature. That's why I have it on. Cools the room very quickly. And let's just go to a different mode. We'll go to the dehumidifier. So it's got a dehumidifier. The vibe switches up there. You got the fan mode. And you've also got, let's go to sleep mode. There we go. Now it's on sleep mode. So those are the 4 different modes. Sleep mode. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. Turn it back to the air conditioner. 3 different levels of. Right there, you got it's on high. We will also do low, medium as well. Also got a timer. It can be set for up to 24 hours. Up to 24 hours right there. And also comes with this window kit right here. Can be set vertical or horizontal depending on your windows. And as I was saying, portable. So it's got the wheels on the bottom, so easy to wheel around. But also, it's not super light. It's not super heavy, so I can pick it up. But got the handles to pick it up. Super nice unit, just extremely high quality. Cools the room down really quickly. And you're going to love it. Highly recommend.